What's going on, guys, and welcome to Yoda Expedition. Today we're going to be looking at the Timbren active off-road bump stops for the 3rd gen Tacoma. So right here on the table we have the rear and the front bump stops from Timbren. This is actually going to be a pretty simple install, and if you're doing this at home in your driveway, it's probably going to take you about an hour. So pretty much when it comes to the factory bump stops on your Tacoma, they are a hard, solid rubber, and when you are going off-roading, they're not going to do a great job at absorbing those really big bumps. These bump stops from Timbren are a softer rubber, and they are going to do a better job absorbing. These are made for off-road situations. They're also taller, so you will hit the bump stop earlier than your factory ones, which is going to help save you and your suspension. So when it comes to swapping out the front bump stops on your Tacoma, it's going to be super simple. You can grab like a set of channel locks and just grab your OEM ones, loosen them, turn them out, and then screw in your brand new ones from Timbren. And then when it comes to the rear ones, it's a little bit more involved. We're going to be loosening the U-bolts, and what's nice about these is it's actually going to flip the U-bolts, so instead of the studs sticking down towards the ground and robbing some ground clearance or potentially getting caught up on rocks or trees, stuff like that, it's going to be flipping them and the studs are going to now be sticking up. So this is also going to give you some added ground clearance as well. So we're going to go ahead and get the Tacoma up on the lift, and we're going to show you how to install both the front and rear bump stops from Timbren. So we got the Tacoma up in the air. I pulled these wheels off just so you can get a better look at what we're doing. You don't need to pull the wheels to do this job. But like I said, in the front, we can just take like a big pair of channel locks. And right here on the frame, you'll find the front bump stop. So we'll go ahead and just grab that, and we'll just twist that off. And once you crack it loose, you can just spin it by hand. So I have the OEM one here next to the new Timbren one. They're not too different on height, maybe about a 1/4 inch higher on the Timbren one, but the biggest difference is the stiffness of rubber. This thing is rock solid, where this thing has a little bit of give, and that's gonna give you a nicer ride. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. You're gonna need an 8mm Allen wrench, and we're just gonna simply, we can thread it in by hand most of the way, and then once we get to the bottom, we'll tighten it down with the Allen wrench. So this side's finished up. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. The fronts should take you like 5 minutes. All right, so moving on to the rear, it's gonna be a little bit more involved. If you're doing this on the ground, get a jack and put it underneath the rear axle so you can support it. We're gonna be taking the U-bolts off here for the leaf springs. We're gonna be swapping those out along with the bump stops, and this is all a new unit here on the back. So your factory U-bolts are gonna be a 19mm. We're gonna go ahead and take all of those 4 nuts off. Once you have that bottom plate removed, you can pull out your factory U-bolts and the factory bump stop. So we got one of the rear bump stops out of the Tacoma, and you can see there is a drastic difference here between the two. On the rear, this thing is pointy, solid rubber, and this is much bigger, much softer rubber. So when you bottom out and you hit your bump stop, it's not going to be such a solid hit. This is going to take some absorption and definitely have a nicer feel. And then the plate, the mounting plate that we took off the bottom of the rear axle, we're gonna be replacing that completely with this. Instead of this being on the bottom of the axle, this is now going to go on top of the axle. And then our new bump stop is going to mount to the new top plate. And then our new U-bolts are gonna be going from the bottom up, just like this. So the first thing you're gonna do is mount your bump stop to the mounting bracket. It's pretty simple. You're gonna have this cup here that's gonna go on first, and then your bump stop, and then you have a Allen bolt, a big washer, and a nut that's gonna drop down inside the bump stop, and you're gonna tighten that up, and then this assembly is complete. Next thing we're gonna do is take our pre-assembled bump stop, and we are going to mount that to our mounting plate. So we have a bunch of washers, bolts, and nuts in there. We're gonna go ahead and get that bolted onto this, and then we can put this on the truck as one unit. So you have 4 bolts in the kit and 4 nuts here that are going to match. And we're also going to grab the smaller washers in here. Once we have all that hardware separated, we can go ahead and get this mounted. You can see on our mounting plate, the ends kind of curve up. So this is going to be mounting in this orientation. Now we can take a bolt with a washer on it. We're gonna go in from the bottom, put another washer on there and a nut. We'll go ahead and get these tightened down. So we'll go ahead and get these tightened up. All right, so we got both bump stops pre-assembled. The remaining hardware, the washers and nuts, are going to be for our brand new U-bolts. So now we can go ahead and get these mounted up to the axle on the Tacoma. Now we'll take one of our new U-bolts. We'll put that up around the axle from the bottom, like so. Washers. And our nuts. Get the other side in here. These U-bolts are pretty long. You have a lot of extra threads. So if you're running like a 1-inch lift block here on the rear, this should be enough. You can use these. Now we can go ahead and tighten down the U-bolts. Those are a 19mm. You want to tighten these down evenly, go back and forth until you are snug, and then we will torque those to spec. All right, so we got this side finished up. It's a little difficult to get a socket on there and get it torqued to spec. They do call for 70 to 75 foot-pounds. I ended up tightening it as much as I could with a wrench, but one thing that you just want to look for is the length of thread sticking out here. Just try to make it so that they're all even, and then you know that it's tightened down pretty equal. So we're going to go ahead now and go over to the driver's side. We're going to do the same exact thing, and then this job will be finished. All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap on this one for the Timbren active off-road bump stops for the 3rd Gen Tacoma. Hopefully this video helped you guys out when it comes to installing these bump stops. And if you want to grab a set for your Tacoma, you can head over to yodaexpedition.com, click the link in the description, and grab a set today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.